In this video, we will create a contour toolpath to machine this slot here. Click on Toolpaths and create a contour toolpath. Select the Options button and disable the color mask. Then, chain this line here in the same direction as shown. Choose the OK button to exit the chaining dialog box. Select the tool page, and select a 1/2 inch flat end mill from the tool library. Then enter in the comment. Select depth cuts and enable them. Specify a maximum rough step of 0.125. Select the linking parameters. Ensure you have a clearance value of incremental 2 inches, a retract amount of incremental 1 inch, a feed plane amount of incremental 0.1, a top of stock of incremental 0.25, and a depth of incremental 0. Scroll down and choose Rotary Axis Control, and change your rotation type to No Rotation. Choose the OK button to generate this toolpath. Then, select all the toolpaths, backplot, and verify them. Once complete, your part should appear as shown. Close the Mastercam simulator and toggle the toolpath display.